Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect MyWhoosh to Strava. So let's go straight into it. Now log in into your MyWhoosh page on the website or sign up if you didn't already. Then head over here to the top right corner where you see your logo. Click on it and then view profile. Wait for a moment and now let's say you will see here edit profile button here. So click on that just like that. And now here on the left side you will see connections. So click here and now you will see some connection here. So Strava, training peaks and so on. And you just hit the connect button. You will type in then the username and password of Strava or Training Peaks wherever you want to log in. So you don't put in the MyWhoosh account, but you put in the Training Peaks, for example. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.